just to let you know I'm feeling all right. I'm gonna honk my horn just to let you know I'm feeling all right.
And it's 2019. All I want is different sounding horns to tell people to get out of the way.
I mean, this has been talked about from the birth of man and woman. That's just not going to happen. There's not going to be new horns.
We should.
So
please stop looking at your phone horn. Just a little, like kind of cutesy, kind of polite. Just wait, and then the person goes, "Oh, sorry, my fault."
Sorry,
The "Have a great day at school, make good choices" horn.
This has some other meanings in other areas of the country.
Well,
I'm just
you
saying.
need to, right? I think was that Dukes of Hazzard? It might be. It's an old Dixie horn.
It's Dixie.
Yeah. It's Dixie.
Okay, maybe not that horn. Maybe we'll get a less racist horn. Can I get a less racist horn?
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
And the other one is the "Nice work, Helen Keller." That's what I yell. And I also yell, "Your mother's a nice lady."
I see. So you shame people born blind as a slur. Okay, that's signed Candy Harper. Got it.
But then that horn has to be a little more aggressive, and I couldn't figure out because I didn't want to do train horn because then that could scare people.
Are you saying that a horn for blind people? Okay, I'm going to let you.
You're
dig
missing
your
the
own
joke. It's got to be loud enough and intense enough, but still okay. That's what it's got to be.
So, just so everyone knows, both your partners just took their headphones off.
That's okay. It's fine. You can play with the show or not. But I also like to say, your mother's a nice lady.
I'm gonna honk my horn just to let you know I'm feeling all right. I'm gonna honk my horn just to let you know I'm feeling all right. Didn't have no loving for a while, but I have me some tonight. Honk my horn, yeah. Said I'm feeling all right. I said I'm feeling all right. Said I'm feeling all right.